nakatingin sa akin.
Tangina, Nathan! Stop this joke! It's not funny!
It's not me. Look, I don't want to.
Someone knows. Susulong niya tayo. And we will go to jail. And...
Ba't ka nagtatin? Hindi ko sinabi dito. Pero sa akin ka nakatingin. O sa akin ka nakatingin. O bakit may isip mo? Bakit ako parang sinisisi mo? Hindi kita sinisisi. O bakit? Tayo na may ng tao doon. Ang isip mo na. Joke lang naman yun, di ba? Ano ko joke lang isip kayo? Bakit ang
Sinay talaga. Ito mo, matawa eh. Ito mo, kakaisa ka dito. Ay, ba't ako?
Oh, tahimik kayo lahat. Ang tatalayin mo ba? Oh, akala ko malinis na yung katawan.
Tama na.
Tama na! Siguro hindi ang matanong. Kaya ka umiyak dyan. Umiyak ka. Ha? Tapos yung sada. Ang plastic na lahat ng sipin mo, princess.
Guys, please stop! Kumalma muna kayo.
Sige nga, tell us how to calm down, knowing na in any minute the police could get to us.
Malay mo, may nagpa-prank-prank lang sa atin.
Could be true. Baka someone is just messing with us. But who?
Guys, let's just ignore this. But if this doesn't stop, ano na?
Ma'am, are you okay? You alright? Perform CPR now.
Are you okay, sir? Can you tell me what happened? Ma'am, are you okay? Could you tell me what happened? Ma'am.
buried, a debt unpaid. Yet in the shadows, truth won't fade. Find the first, and you'll know the last.
What does it mean?
Look at this.
It's the same pool kung saan nangyari ang incident.
Look, they laid at us.
August 28, 1993. The year. Ano bang kinalaman natin dyan?
What if lahat ng ito hindi tungkol sa atin? What if it's about them?
What the hell does that mean?
Guys, these names aren't they our parents?
So this is not about us. Para ito sa mga parents natin.
The victim's last name.
Wait, isn't this your mom?
Angelo Mendoza. Kapareha natin Camila nung napatay natin.
Wait, don't get me correct.
The lost still whisper, moon and rain. Find me where the dawn must stay. The moon, he wants to lead us.
Sino ka?
Ilang taon nang nakalilipas, ngunit wala ni isa, not once, paid for their crimes. Not once, walang nalagot sa mga kasalanan nila. Justisya, justice, ay hindi nakamit. Angelo Mendoza, nalunod siya. Ilang taon nang nakalipas in this very spot. I had not the premonition. Wala. Not in a million years. Not in a million years I had the premonition na pati yung anak ko ay ganito ang sasapiting mangyayari. Ganito ang sasapiting kapalaran. No!
Naghihiganti ka ba sa amin? It was an accident. We tried everything to save her.
What? You're Camila's father?
You know, it really irritates me that after all these years, wala pa rin kayong pinagbago. Mga mamamatay tao, mga makasarili, at walang takas sa batas!
Tahimik na mga bata. Kuya Angelo,